How to recover Discord account with email. Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can recover Discord account with email. In order to recover Discord account with email, what you need to do is, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and then open up a Discord application. So once you open up your Discord application, you'll be taken to the login or registration page. So then to recover your account, click on the login button. Now enter in your credential, that is your email address or a phone number. So quickly enter in the information. Since you want to recover your account, so click on forgot your password, just right over here. You need to confirm whether you're human or a robot. You will be asked to solve this kind of puzzle. See, after confirming that you're human, you'll be able to see this kind of interface where an instruction link has been set. So what you need to do is open up your email. As you can see that I received a verification link. So to reset your password, just click on the reset password button, which is right in center. Now you'll be asked to create a new password, so then create a strong password. After you're done creating a password, click on the change password button, which is right at the bottom, and as you can see that the password has been changed. Now you'll need to log in into your account by entering your newly created password. So that is how you can recover your Discord account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.